How to add text titles on Openshot video editor. Hey everyone and welcome back. Today's quick video shows you how to add impactful titles to your videos using Openshot. Titles are a great way to introduce your video, add explanations or showcase your branding. Let's jump in. In Openshot, navigate to the title menu at the top. In the title menu, you can choose title for a blank one or explore pre-designed options with animated title. I will choose the first option. So let's jump in. We'll go with a blank title. A new window pops up with a text box and preview area. Here, type your title text and play around with the font style, size, and color options. Openshot offers a variety of fonts to choose from. Click on the font drop-down menu to browse the selection. Right here, clicking on change font, you can change the font style, size, and the font itself. You can add effects like strikeout and underline, or any writing system. And here you'll see the sample of the writing. Click on save. And that's how to add a title text to your video on Openshot. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.